this is the day that the Lord has made, so let's rejoice. Anyways, today I'm making some goat meat, roasted fish, and clams. So let's start. This is some sweet blossom that I'm holding. I'll be using that. I'll be using some garlic, ginger, pepper, and onions, okay? So first of all, I'll wash my clams, season it very well. Put a little bit of water, not too much because this is frozen clams. And then I'll put it to cook. I will also do the same with my goat meat, okay? So I believe the cooking will do talking for itself. The cooking will explain itself. Now that's the goat meat. I'm going to season it. Put some good seasoning on it. And put it to boil, okay? How is your day going? I pray that all is well with you and your family. Yesterday, I was not feeling too well, so I went to the clinic to get some tests done. They drew my blood and did everything and told me that I'm healthy and well. So I think it was just fatigue from the workplace, from working so many hours. I think I was just tired. Anyway, I'm going ahead. I'm blending now the garlic, ginger, onion, celery. I'm blending everything. I also added some cubes to it, season it. Now I wash and clean my fish already. So I'm putting those slices on it so that the seasoning can enter it very well. Okay? So I'm seasoning my fish. After seasoning your fish, you have to let it sit for a while so that the seasoning can go into it before you put it in the oven. I'm actually going to be roasting this fish. I'm not going to bake, I'm going to roast it. So I'm going to use the upper part of the oven to get it roasted. Next, I cut up my pepper and onions, and I'm going to make a nice pepper sauce. Put some seasoning into it, and I'll also saute some big green peppers and onions. Okay, our fish is ready to go in the oven. Okay, so it's roasting. So the sauce is ready that I'm going to be using to season everything, and I'm going to now saute some onions and green pepper. I add some seasoning to that and just saute it very well, as you can see. So our goat meat is done. Our clam is ready. Both of them, that's why I didn't put too much water, because I wanted it to just cook down. So now my fish is ready. You see, I'm putting the sauce on it that I made. And then I'm also going to add some of the onions and green pepper that I sauteed. And I'm going to put it back in the oven for a short little while, just for a few seconds, okay? Then we're going back now to season our goat meat and our clams. So the goat meat, that's the goat meat. I'm going to, fry it a little bit in the oil, not too much, just a little bit, because it's already cooked. And then I'm going to add some of the pepper sauce that I made to it, the seasoning. Put enough seasoning on that thing. Add some of the sauteed onions and green pepper. Yeah. Mix it very well. is ready. I put it in the bowl, and there it is. Oh my God, this goat meat is delicious. So now we're going to do the same thing with the clam that we did with the goat meat, the clam. So as you can see, I added the rest of the sauce, added the rest of the sauteed onions and pepper. Once it was ready, I put it on the table. Our fish is ready. Added the fish. As you can see, dinner is served. I will be having mine with some boiled ripe plantain. Anyways, I have a scripture for you today. Ecclesiastes 3:11 says that he made everything beautiful in its time. This is to let you know that God is in control. He has not forgotten us. And in his own time, he'll make all things beautiful. Everything in life has a time and a season. So I encourage you not to compare yourself with anyone, not to envy anyone. Rejoice with those who rejoice. And know that your season and your time is in the hands of God. And you can count on his faithfulness. Until we see again, please have a very blessed and fruitful day, and know that you are loved.